8, Unit 4, Graphing and Slope, Lesson 8, Part 2. Writing a linear equation given the graph with visible y-intercept. Alright, so if you're given a graph, determine the slope and the y-intercept from the graph, then you can write the equation. So to do that, you're going to identify some lattice points. Those are points where the line crosses at nice whole numbers, if possible. Then you identify the y-intercept, identify the slope using a right triangle. Then you can write your y equals mx plus b. So let's look at this example. We've got a nice graph here. It shows it's an upward slope and it crosses the y-axis at -2. So I'm going to do some lattice points here. It goes through these points quite well. Sometimes your graph will already have these drawn. The y-intercept is this particular lattice point here at 0, -1. So the y-intercept is -1. Then we're going to identify the slope using a slope triangle. So this goes up 2/3, giving me a slope of 2/3. Now I've got the slope, I've got the intercept. I can write y equals 2/3 x minus 1. And that is my equation. Okay, let's write an equation for this line. First, start with some lattice points. It looks like it goes through these fairly well. And if you try drawing the lattice points following a pattern and the line gets off, then it's not exactly that slope. Alright, we can identify here the y-intercept is at 1. The slope goes up 2/1. So the slope is 2. This gives us an equation, y equals 2x plus 1.